Hello everyone, welcome to Explore with Madan YouTube channel. In this video we will check whether the number is even or odd. Before getting to the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Now get into the video. Now discuss about even number. When we divide a number by 2, if it gives remainder 0, then it is called even number. Means if we divide a number by 2, it gives remainder 0, then it is called even number. Suppose take a number like 10. If we divide 10 by 2, it gives remainder 0. 2 5s 10, remainder 0. So it is called even number. Now discuss about odd numbers. When we divide a number by 2, if it doesn't give remainder 0, then it is called odd number. Now let's take 5. Divide 5 with 2. 2 2s 4, remainder will be 1. So it is an odd number. This is the main logic to check whether the number is even number or an odd number. If you divide a number with 2, if it gives 0, then it is an even number. If you divide a number with 2, if it doesn't give 0, then it is an odd number. Now let's do it practically. I have taken a main method which is common for all programs. Now let's take one variable which is int data type. Let's assume if you give n equal to 5, the user will check only this 5 whether it is even or odd. It won't check any other number. If you like to check any number, then we have to use one class which is scanner class. Now let's write that class. The scanner class should be above this class. Now let's write the class. Now I'm printing one statement. System.out.println. I'm entering one text which is enter any number. Now let's create one object for this class, scanner class. I'm taking object name as R. In system.n, the S should be capital. Make sure it should be capital. Now let's discuss what is this line. Generally, this method used to give input to the user. Okay. Now I'm writing actual logic. If n mod 2 equal to 0. As we discussed, if any number is divided by 2, if it gives remainder 0, then it is called even number. If it doesn't give remainder 0, then it is called odd number. Okay. Open braces. Now I'm getting one statement. Even numbers. Semicolon. Closing braces. I'm taking else statement. Now I'm printing another print statement. System dot out dot println odd numbers semicolon closing braces closing braces. Here let's see, I have taken two print statements. Suppose if you take any number, if you divide that number with 2, if we get remainder 0, then this print statement will works and print even numbers. Else, if you take any number and if you divide that number with 2, if it doesn't give remainder 0, then this print statement will print odd numbers. Now let's see. Now it's showing enter any number. I will take 5. Now let's try to print. It was clearly shown odd number. Okay. Now let's try with an even number. Now I'm entering 6. See here, it was clearly shown even number. In this way we can check whether the number is even or odd. Thank you.